Hello friends, let's check out how to make veg momos today. Let's check out the ingredients. We need capsicum, carrot, cabbage, few green chilies, paneer, green onion, cilantro. So I'm going to grate all the vegetables, something like this. I'm grating paneer, capsicum, carrot, and then mixing them all. Mix them well in a bowl. Use any vegetables that you like. I'm also adding garlic. This is completely optional, it's up to you. I'm adding it because of its medicinal properties. Here I sprinkle it and then give it a good mix. I have not added any spices or salt at this minute. Okay, now let's heat up the pan, and I have added about 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. You can use any oil, sunflower, groundnut, anything. And then added half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin, and after a minute added all the mixture in it, and then cook it for about 2 minutes. Mix it well, just saute. Yeah, just give it a good mix. I'm not going to cook it completely, just until the rawness is gone. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chilies powder, and then salt as per taste, and nothing else. I want to have the flavor of the veggies as is. I do not want any of the masala to override. Okay, so here it looks. I'm not cooking it completely. I want the crunchiness to retain. Just the rawness should go away. That's all. It will look just like this. So about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now let's get the dough. So I took 2 cups of whole wheat flour and about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. I'm using water for making the dough. You can knead it the same way as we do for the rotis. Then take a damp cloth or a napkin and cover it and leave it aside for about 20 minutes. After which we'll make small balls and we'll roll it by dipping it in the dry flour. Not too thin, not too thick, something like this. And then generously fill the mixture in it. And then apply water on the sides so that it sticks properly. And then carefully fold it. I'm not good at making this, folding it, the exact way that we get it in the shops or restaurants, but then I'm trying my best. So here I made the round shape. So you can take out the extra on top of it. And yeah, here is the shape. It is that easy. So this is the first time that I am trying momos at home, that too with the whole wheat. And as I said, I have not used all-purpose flour or maida. It is purely made of whole wheat because I wanted to try momos but in a healthy way. So this recipe is all about eating healthy and without missing on our favorite food. Because if we miss any favorite food, then one day definitely we will binge eat on something which will ruin our diet. So we don't want that. Okay, so I have greased the idli vessel, and then I am placing each momos on top of it. So here is the idli vessel in which I have added 1 glass of water, and I have put it to steam. So as you can see, after 5 minutes the water is hot enough, and now I will place the stacked momos into it. Place it really carefully because the vessel with water is really hot, and since it is steaming, the hot steam will burn your hands, so please be careful. So give it about 20 minutes and the cooked momos will look something like this. Isn't it awesome, delicious? Yes, definitely, not just by looking at it but tasty as well. Okay, now let's prepare the momos chutney. So what am I doing? I took a handful of red chilies, the dried chilies, and soak it in water for about an hour. Meanwhile, take 5 to 6 red tomatoes and boil it in water. So I am preparing for 5 people. So I am taking about, I think, 6 or 8 tomatoes. And let it boil. Once it starts boiling, the skin of the tomato will come out, will start to pop out, something like this. Yes. So what you have to do, once the tomatoes are boiled, take it in cold water and then start peeling off the skin and remove the tomato head with the knife. Yeah, something like this. Do it for all the tomatoes. Peel off the skin and remove the head. Now take a grinder, put all the soaked red chilies, then tomato. I'm adding garlic and ginger as well, 3 garlic pearl and about an inch of ginger, which is completely optional. I use those for its medicinal properties, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. Okay, once that is grinded, now let's make the tadka, as we say. So 1 teaspoon of oil in which I have added half a teaspoon of rye, and then a pinch of hing asafoetida, and then add all the grinded sauce. Freshly grinded tomato, red chili sauce. Give it a boil. Cook until it starts boiling, about 5 minutes, and then it is ready to serve. As you can see, the tangy taste of the chutney will complement the vegetable momos. Definitely give it a try. The whole wheat vegetable momos. It is very, very, very delicious. Friends, definitely give it a try and let me know how you like this recipe. Mention that in the comment section.